Hello everyone, welcome back to LC Fitness. I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about a very sensitive and a very important topic, thyroid. Now, before starting with the video, I want to tell you guys that I am not a doctor. So I'll not be prescribing you any kind of medicines, nor this is a medical class. So we'll not talk deep about thyroid hormone. We'll just talk about your body weight, the reason why your body weight increases when you are facing thyroid, and some easy dietary solutions to that. That's all. So first and the most important thing that you need to understand is thyroid is not a problem, nor a disease. It is a hormone of your body that is very important, that conducts many major roles in your body. Like it is important for the protein synthesis, it is important for your bone health, it regulates your body temperature, it is important for your metabolism. So thyroid is not the problem. Problem is the imbalance that we have created due to poor nutrition. Now there are two types of thyroid. One is hypothyroid, in which you gain weight. Second is hyperthyroid, in which you start losing your weight, body weight. So in this video we are going to talk about hypothyroid, in which you gain weight. In this, your body is not able to produce enough amount of thyroid hormone due to lack of iodine in your food. Now, I have told you in the beginning also that thyroid is important to regulate your body temperature and it is important for your metabolism. So, if there is not enough amount of thyroid hormone present in your blood, your metabolism will shut down. It will not work properly. So your body will not be able to burn as much calories as it should. So this will result in gaining weight, you will lose your strength and you will start feeling weak. First and the most common sign is increase in your body weight. Like everything is fine, you are eating normal, but still your body weight starts increasing. So you'll get to know that there is some problem in your body. Second is enlargement of your neck. Thyroid gland is located here, so it will increase the size of your neck. It is called goiter. Third is body fatigueness. Fourth is lack of energy. Fifth is cold sensitivity. So you'll get to know that there is some problem in your body and it could be a sign or symptom of thyroid. Now your body is gaining unnecessary body weight in form of fat. So first and the most important thing that you'll do is go for a strict fat loss diet. Now by saying that, I don't mean that you should go for a fade or a crash diet. No guys. Your body needs certain amount of proteins and dietary fats to function properly. So it's better that you can go for a keto diet, you can go for a low carb diet, you can go for a protein diet. It's cool. It will help you to lose your body weight also. It will help your body to function properly also, and it will make you healthy. Second is, since your thyroid hormone is not functioning properly, your body's metabolism is very slow. So it's important for you that you add some amount of workout to your daily schedule. That will again help you to burn more calories. It will boost your metabolism up and it will help you to control your body weight. So I hope you guys have understood what I was trying to explain. Share this video with everyone who is suffering from thyroid, and please do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.